This is the cute wireless keyboard with round pig keys from Kootop. I got it a few days ago and so far I've been really comfortable working on it. The keys have a soft typewriter-like feel, which I really like, especially as you can see, especially if you type a lot. It also feels more ergonomic, so it really helps reduce the wrist fatigue. Of course, it's more about aesthetic and feel than being super technical, but overall it really works really well. And it comes with a mouse that's very comfortable to work to. I love also the sound that it all has, you know, like very technical. One of my favorite details about this is that it's automatically turning off when I'm not using it, which really saves a lot of battery, especially compared to my regular keyboard and mouse that will really drain if I forget to turn them off. So that's really good. The only downside is that it runs on battery, so you have to keep that in mind. But it only uses like one battery. It actually gives you like the battery to connect it, and it's with an USB, a regular USB. So in my case, my computer has the USB-C, so I had to get like an adapter to connect it. But other than that, it's really good. I love it, and it's a really good product for the price that it has.